Alright, here we go. Dad just made the call. Apparently a wagon stuck, so we're gonna go see what he's into. Trying to get the wagon out. He's got the 4-wheel drive tractor, so I don't know how we're gonna get it out, but we'll see when we get there. Catch back with you in a minute. Here we go. It's a little wet. Yeah, he dug her to China. Jeez. Whew. For you guys that don't know, we still pick corn. We don't combine or shell corn. We pick it on the ear. All of our corn goes out as feed for the cows. And what I mean by that is we call it going out on the hoof. The only thing we do with this corn is grind it for cow feed and send it or give it to the cows, and then in return when we sell the cows, that's how we make our money off the corn. So here we go. He's got a nice full load in here. So let's see if we can get it out. Alright guys, we got it out. Sorry I didn't get any video of it. It was a little bit interesting, but long story short, backed up to it, hitched onto it. We thought we were going to have to put chains on it, but I was able to back up and hitch up with the pin and dig my way out of there. A little interesting. I'm on a 2-wheel drive tractor, he's 4-wheel drive, but he's pulling the picker too, and that was dragging on him, so that's why he couldn't pull it through. Alright, we're going to head back to the house and get this load unloaded, and hopefully he'll have another one waiting for us when we get back. See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, it's going to get a little noisy around here. Don't know if you'll be able to hear me. We're going to unload this wagon real fast. Hey, let's speed that up a little bit. Throttle it up a little bit. Alright guys, so it's been a little bit. Hang on, let me get away from this running tractor. So as you can see, it's probably getting a little bit dark. It's been a few hours since I talked to you guys. We had to do some switching around. Normally we run a New Idea 2-row corn picker, but this year we tilled the field. Normally we're no-till. This year we tilled it, and it's kind of coming back to bite us in the butt. We've waited a little too long, and the ground's wet. I don't think it's going to get any drier, so we're trying to get it out. And the 2-row has narrow tires on it. Truck tires, I do believe. But anyways, they're sinking into the ground. Dad has an old International 1-row corn picker. He bought way back in the day for, I think, $36 used. that we just happen to still have around here. Well, it had tires bolted to, let me say that again. It had duals put on it. Dad bolted wheels onto the factory wheels about 6 to 8 years ago. We had a wet fall and didn't have a choice and had to get it out, so we used that to float. And we didn't know if the clicker was going to work or not for us this year, but we went ahead and got it out. Fingers crossed. So far it's done pretty good. We're almost done. We only do, I think this year we did 10 acres of corn, just enough to feed the cows for the year. So we're almost done. Hopefully it holds out. We can come up with a better game plan for next year. So I'll take you on over to the field, and we're going to take this empty wagon I got back, and we'll see you in a little bit.